I was on set when Ian called me. He was like, Nature, we need to get gadgets, like quality gadgets for this production. We need to kick off immediately. And guess what? Let me show you. Now, I'm going to take you to the unboxing of the gadget. Let's go. Okay, here we have all the gadgets, from the microphone, condenser sound microphone, and then the mixer. We have the headphone. This headphone is perfect and block external noise to get clean feedback from the mixer. Then we have Scarlett. This is 2 to 2. Yeah. Then we have this mixer is also an amplifier as well. So it's 2-in-1, serves two purposes. Then I have bag. This bag goes for the camera and camera accessories. We have the lens. The lens are going to be. If you look at the bag, you see that the bag is in compartments. So here we have lens. This is Sanyan 1.4 50mm 12 to 60 2.8. Yeah, this lens. You Google it, you see the price. These are quality shit, man. So I have Zoom H6. You know what this does? This is for sound recording, for a clean output. When you use wireless body mic, this goes for production, and then interviews as well. Wireless body mic. This is Boya, top notch. Then we have our cards here for for the sound recorder, and then we have card. This card is one of the fastest. Look at it, 200 MB per second. This is 200 MB per second, 128 gig. I had to get 3. No disappointment. So we got you covered. Here I got the the camera power bank adapter. Yeah, that's it. Then this is the camera power bank itself, and we have enough battery to serve you. These batteries are for the sound, the 2-in-1 Boya, and the receiver, then the Zoom recorder, and all that. So here we have Lumix GH5, the almighty Lumix GH5S. Now, if you look closely, you see that this is the upgraded version. This is the upgraded version, upgraded firmware. So we have to get 2. No disappointment, we deliver. So we have 2 Lumix GH5S here. We have 3 lenses, 35mm, 40mm, and 12 to 60mm. All low light lenses. This is 1.4, 35mm 1.4, 12 to 60, 2.8mm. Then we have our cords here. These cords are for the mics. Now these mics are for podcasts. We don't set for podcasts like this. You see this mic? Google this mic. Everything here is standard. So now we have our microphone stands here. We have 6 here. So it can accommodate up to 6 individuals on the spot. So what am I missing? If you look at this receipt, what's in here will shock you. So here we have the POP filter, pop filter, to get clean audio. When it comes to voiceover, we use to attach this to the microphone and then run the voiceover. So after this, I'm going to do a video, show you the setup. I'm going to show you the setup of this whole gadget, and then we're going to test run it, and then see the output. So let's anticipate. Okay, now let me take you to the function of this bag. This bag is for storing the camera and other light accessories. So, camera accessories. Let me bring out this GH5. Here's the camera. So it goes here. This one gone. We have the second one. So this here. These are the batteries and charger. This is here. Here is the strap. I don't think we're going to be using that for now. So we'll let it be there for now. And then I have this lens. This is 12 to 60. This guy should be here for now. So everything is in order. The bag is shock proof. Weather safe. So the 2 lenses are down. Now we have the Zoom H6 also going in there. Okay. the Almighty Zoom H6. Chee! Now let me connect the stereo. You need to pull out this guy and this other guy. Not to connect this guy. That's it. Clean shape. So we're gonna have this guy in here. Let's have, I think I should remove this guy. Then this guy should be here. And I think that's all for this. Nothing much for the basics. And then the camera battery power bank. This is the Lumix camera battery power bank for continuous shoot. So it's only going to be like a low power failure. So, and these are the adapters. You know how this works? Let me show you. So you take the camera, plug this in. Instead of using the battery, the conventional battery, you use this guy, then you lock it up, then use power bank. This is a specialized power bank for this. So when fully charged, it can last you 24 hours while shooting. So after getting this, you need this adapter. Connect here, and then to this guy. So you don't need to worry about battery for the whole day. Okay, that's it for this. Let's unplug this guy. So the power bank will be going in here. And this. So we have a whole lot to unpack. I'm going to do that in the next video. Cut.